Hey, it's Locksmith here. All right, we're going to unlock the vehicle. We're going to use this bad boy right here. So let's go ahead and take the wedge, go about 12 inches away from the corner of the door. You can put the tool in during the summer. I would not do it during the winter with that much force up north. So we're going to put the tool in, face it forward. I like to lay the tool against the glass, that way I know it goes down. And when you come down, the nice one about this is you come down too far, and when you rotate it, that one there I felt was the door frame, and you notice how it's springy now? That's when you're on the linkage. So with these, they have the little teeth, just bite it and rotate it, and it did a little. And there we go. Hey, thanks again for watching Locksmith. Let's be safe out there. And I'd like to just show you different ways to open up this vehicle, because we have a lot of them that are the same way. And thanks again for watching.